Title: AI in Healthcare, Diagnosis, Drug Discovery, and Medical Imaging. Welcome to this 10-minute deep dive into one of the most transformative forces shaping the future of medicine, artificial intelligence in healthcare. Today, we will explore how AI is revolutionizing diagnosis, accelerating drug discovery, and reshaping medical imaging. By the end of this lesson, you will clearly understand why AI is no longer just a supportive tool, but a core engine driving modern medicine forward. Healthcare is one of the most data-intensive fields in the world. Hospitals generate massive amounts of medical records, images, lab results, genetic profiles, and clinical notes every single day. For decades, doctors relied entirely on human interpretation and manual analysis, but AI has changed everything. AI systems can analyze millions of data points in seconds, detect hidden patterns, and make predictions that even experienced specialists might overlook. The result is faster diagnosis, safer treatment, and personalized care that fits each patient's unique needs. One of the most powerful applications of AI is early disease detection. Machine learning models and deep learning networks can identify signs of diseases long before symptoms appear. For example, AI systems can detect breast cancer from mammograms with accuracy similar to or even higher than radiologists. Algorithms can analyze retinal images to identify diabetic eye disease early. AI can predict the risk of heart attacks by studying ECG patterns and lifestyle data. These systems are not replacing doctors. Instead, they act as intelligent partners, highlighting risks so doctors can act sooner and with more confidence. AI is also transforming the shift toward personalized medicine. Traditional treatments are often one-size-fits-all, but patients respond differently based on genetics, lifestyle, and environment. AI integrates genetic sequencing data, imaging results, medical history, real-time wearable data to create a full biological and behavioral profile of each patient. With this information, AI can recommend the most effective treatments, predict how a patient will respond to certain drugs, and even help avoid dangerous side effects. This level of personalization was impossible before the rise of large-scale machine learning. Developing a new drug typically takes 10 to 15 years and billions of dollars. But AI is dramatically reducing both the time and the cost. Artificial intelligence can simulate how different molecules interact with the human body, analyze millions of chemical structures, and predict which compounds have the highest chance of becoming successful drugs. During the COVID-19 pandemic, AI tools were used to identify potential treatment molecules in a matter of days, something that would normally require months of laboratory work. Artificial intelligence also helps in predicting toxicity levels, designing new proteins, optimizing drug combinations, repurposing existing drugs for new diseases. This means faster cures, safer treatments, and a more efficient pharmaceutical pipeline. Medical imaging is another area experiencing a revolution. AI can analyze CT scans, MRI images, X-rays, and ultrasounds with unmatched precision. Here's what makes AI imaging powerful. 1. Speed. AI can review thousands of images instantly. 2. Consistency. AI never gets tired or distracted. Third, detail. Deep learning models detect tiny abnormalities that might go unnoticed. For example, AI can identify early tumors, classify lung infections, detect strokes within seconds, and even measure organ damage automatically. Some hospitals now use AI to prioritize emergency scans, meaning critical patients receive instant attention. AI isn't only diagnosing existing diseases, it's predicting future ones. By analyzing lifestyle patterns, genetic predispositions, and medical trends, AI can predict who is at risk for diabetes, heart disease, dementia, or respiratory disorders. This transforms healthcare from reactive to proactive. Instead of waiting for patients to get sick, AI helps doctors prevent illness before it starts. Beyond diagnosis, AI improves hospital operations. It can reduce waiting times, predict patient admissions, optimize scheduling, monitor ICU patients in real time, detect anomalies in vital signs. AI systems can alert healthcare staff when something unusual happens, ensuring faster response and better patient safety. Smart hospitals of the future will rely on AI the same way airplanes rely on autopilot, always assisting, always protecting. Despite the benefits, AI in healthcare also brings challenges. Key concerns include privacy and protection of medical data, algorithmic bias, transparency of AI decisions, ensuring human oversight. For AI to be trusted, it must be safe, ethical, and fair. That's why regulations, clinical validation, and responsible design are essential. Looking ahead, we will see AI systems integrated into nearly every stage of medicine. AI assistants supporting every doctor, personalized digital twins for each patient, robots assisting in surgeries, continuous real-time health monitoring, fully automated diagnostic pipelines. The combination of AI with biotechnology, genomics, robotics, and nanotechnology will redefine what healthcare means. Artificial intelligence in healthcare is more than a technological upgrade. It is a medical revolution. By improving diagnosis, accelerating drug discovery, and enhancing medical imaging, AI is creating safer, faster, and more intelligent healthcare for humanity. We are only at the beginning, and the next decade will bring changes larger than the past 100 years combined. This concludes Article 6 of the AI 30-Day series, AI in Healthcare. 3. Detail. Deep learning models detect tiny abnormalities that might go unnoticed. For example, AI can identify early tumors, classify lung infections, detect strokes within seconds, and even measure organ damage automatically. Some hospitals now use AI to prioritize emergency scans, meaning critical patients receive instant attention.